Plastic ah. No medyo ano. Medyo abot sa pikas. Abot sa pikas. Ito na mabalhin ako sa pikas. Tuyok ano ba? Okay. Right.
Lagi lah. Apa nih?
75. Okay, after we do the check bin and polish this Honda B18C Type R, so we're going to do the pole balancing for this one. This B18C with the aluminum pulley, mines, very light pulley, and the crank, and this OS aftermarket flywheel and clutch cover. Alright, so we're going to do the pole balancing, so we do the crankshaft first. Alright, we need spin the crank with the RPM of 400. So we will check how much the balance for this B18C crankshaft. Analyzing. Alright, crankshaft B18C, unbalanced very little only. Alright, so where for the left side, for the flywheel side, this side in the balancer. around 0.93. On the front side, 0.36. So somewhere here, this side. But this 0.25 is already below our tolerance 30 gram limit. So this one we will cut only on the left side with 67. So 30 our tolerance. Alright. So we do remove some weight correction here. Okay, we have to remove weights here around 0.8 grams. Alright. Around 0.8 grams. So very little amount of this. So okay, we'll try this thing first. Check. Alright. Spinning. Analyzing. Alright. We drill 0.8 grams now. Balance of tolerance already described. So just this place only, because this one is very little only. Mostly Honda is very good balance from factory. Alright, so now we put the pulley purse. So the crank already balanced. Now I put this pulley, this aluminum pulley. So now we will spin, check how big and where the imbalance for this mine's aluminum pulley. Alright, spin, same RPM, 400. So spinning, analyzing. Alright, this pulley is only unbalanced around 0.71 gram to 51.61 mm. So the left side is really balanced below 30 and 5. So this the right side of the pulley side is 51. Where? This side. So we have to put marking this side. Alright, so we do correction here. We drill, remove some weights here, and then we spin again. Alright. Okay, we drill here around 1 gram. 1 gram. So I drill 4 holes, small holes for this one, 1 grams, because this one is aluminum, so quite very light. So we try this 4 holes, small hole first, 4 small hole first. See enough for 1 gram. Alright, we put back this pulley and then we spin. Okay, the pulley will be fixed back. So with the 4 holes we drill for 1 gram. Hopefully this one enough or not, we will check and spin. Same RPM 400. Alright. Spin. Spinning. Analyzing. Alright. Wow, still not enough. Around 0.8 grams. So which side? This side, same side. 5 degrees from the one we drill here. So you have to drill some more, remove some with some more. We have to open again and then drill. Alright. Okay, the pulley already fit back. I drill another 3 holes. So this one still got around 0.8 grams. So pulley these 3 holes we drill. We remove, pick out some which is enough for 0.8 grams and make it balance to pulley lang this pulley. Alright, we spin. See? Spinning. Spinning. Analyzing. Hopefully this one enough already. Balance the pulley. Alright. So the pulley that we drilled 3 holes is balanced the pulley runs already. Now 0.3 grams from 0.8 grams. So the left side is same. So this one, this pulley, mine's aluminum pulley, is balanced to tolerance. So 7 holes. Alright, so now this is the time we put this flywheel first. OS flywheel. And then after that the clutch cover. We balance first the flywheel. Alright. Okay, the flywheel already fixed to the crankshaft. So we're going to check, spin this thing, how big the unbalance for this flywheel and which side, which part of the flywheel is unbalanced. Alright, we spin. So crank and pulley is already balanced. So now this is the flywheel. We check this flywheel, how big, how much, and where the imbalance. Alright, analyzing. Alright, so this flywheel is unbalanced around 1.90 grams, almost 2 grams. So around 138.7 gram mm. So the front side, pulley side balance. So this flywheel only we will do. Which side? Alright, this side. So we have to remove drill hole here around 2 grams to make this flywheel also balance the clearance. Alright, we don't touch the crank and the pulley already. Alright, now we remove some weights here. We have to open the flywheel. Okay, so we drill, remove weights here around 1.9 grams or almost 2 grams. Alright, drill, no luck. So this one's still, so we cannot drill a lot. It's little only because 2 grams is the light only for still. Alright, try this thing, this big first. We will fix this flywheel and spin, check enough or not. Alright. Okay, the flywheel already fixed. So the one we build here around 2 grams. So we check, spin this thing, get this one, the weights we remove is balance the clearance or enough for the 1.9 grams. Alright, spin. So spinning. Analyzing. Hopefully 1.9 grams is enough. Alright, still not enough. Still got 0.81 grams for 58.8 gram mm. So which side? Same side. Same. So the one we remove is still not enough, so we have to drill some more. For this one, we can drill, we don't need to open the flywheel, we can drill here a bit this side because just around 0.8 grams and then the radius is very big, so no need to drill very big also. Just little only for this grab because this radius is very big. Alright. Okay, I drill 2 small holes already for 0.8 grams. Hopefully this one enough or not. I don't open the flywheel because this one we can drill here, but just a small amount of weights only. Alright, see, spin this flywheel. Okay, spinning. Hopefully the one enough already, and then we can put this clutch cover. Analyzing. Alright, so flywheel also balance the tolerance. 0.4 grams from 1.9 grams. So this crank, flywheel and the pulley is balanced to tolerance. So now we put this clutch cover to balance this clutch cover. Alright, okay, the clutch cover already fixed out, so we have to spin this, check with the unbalance for this clutch cover and how big. Alright, spinning. After this clutch cover, this clutch cover balance already, so the whole crank Honda B18C Type R full balance. Alright, so clutch cover and balance 2.55 grams. 2.55 grams. Where is it? Somewhere this side. Alright, we put marking. So we no need to open this clutch cover also, we can drill here. Alright, now we take out, remove some weights for this clutch cover, and then after this, if okay, balance to tolerance, for balancing. Then we balance the connecting rod and the piston. Okay, we drill the clutch cover here around 2 grams, 2.55 grams. This area. So we drill around 4 holes, small holes, 4 to 5 holes. So we don't drill too deep because this is a plate to drill, so that's why we drill few holes. So estimate around 4 grams. So we spin. Okay. Check this clutch cover, it balance to tolerance already. So analyzing. So crankshaft, pulley, flywheel, now the clutch cover. Alright, so still not enough. From 2.55 grams, got 0.9 grams. So this side, balance. So this clutch cover still not enough. Which side? Somewhere this side, same. So you have to build some, maybe 1 hole. 1 small hole, 1, 2 small hole. Alright, I will do some. Alright, I have only 2 small hole and then I make bigger a bit this. So Now we spin again. So with this clutch cover, balance to tolerance, enough the one with drill. So the whole crank balance to tolerance. This B18C Type R Honda. Alright, analyzing. Alright, so this crankshaft Honda B18C balance to tolerance 0.41 grams, 0.9 grams. So the full crank B18C, clutch cover here, flywheel here and here, the clamp here this side only, and the pulley this side. Alright, so this B18C crankshaft done. Full balancing. Now we're going to balance the pointing rod and the piston. Now we last spin, same. Alright. Wait here. Alright.